Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my transformable fidget spinners. These fidget spinners are super cool and unlike any others that I have seen. It has 6 tails or whatever it's called. Each of these tails are transformable and you can bend them into all kinds of different shapes, which is pretty cool. It comes in different sets with as low as 2 fidget toys all the way up to 16 fidget toys. So you can buy as little or as many as you need for your purposes. I personally bought the set of 4 to make sure that each of my kids have one so they don't fight over who gets to play with it first. To play with it, you can bend the tails into different shapes, which is one of my kids' favorite things to do. You can also hold the center and start spinning like a fidget spinner. It can be a helpful toy for those who are very energetic, those who have various ranges of disorders, or even if you are in high stress and high anxiety situations. It is also a fun way to pass time while waiting in line for something, or if you need something to keep your fingers busy. They are small enough that you can keep it in your pocket and take with you wherever you go. If you are in the market for a fun, unique fidget toy, either for yourself or to give as a gift for birthdays, Christmas, as a stocking stuffer, or for any other occasions, be sure to take a look at this.